What's up guys, it's your boy Hieroglyphics, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the Moto Gadget mo.view mirror. And I have the particular blade style. As you can see, they have many different types of styles you can get. They also have them with longer arms as well if you want to get more visibility. But this is a very high quality mirror. There's a very intricate process of how these are made, and I'm really happy with them so far. So as you guys can see, I already have the left side installed, and I'm going to show you guys how to do the right side because they both have the same exact steps, and they're very nice, very high quality. And I'll post a video in the description of the intricate process that they go through to make these mirrors. Very high quality, really like these, and they look really sleek and nice. All right, let's get into it. So I already had these installed. I just boxed it up again just to show you guys how they come. They basically come in this box. They come with a little plastic on top of them, and here they are. Very nice mirror, quality finish. These will not move on you. This little pivot point right here that it has is actually pretty hard to move. You might have to use both hands to adjust it on the fly. So yeah, I really like these. What's up guys, you're gonna want to start by taking off the hex bolt inside your bar end. These are the EvoTech Performance bar ends. They're weighted. They actually weigh a little bit more than the stock ones. I had to replace my Yamaha ones because the Yamaha was really light compared to these. These are much heavier, so they do dampen a bit more of the vibration. So the bolt that the stock bar end comes with is actually not long enough. In order to install the mirror, you're gonna have to buy something like a spacer. And in order to fit the mirror, bar end, and spacer together, you're gonna need a much longer bolt to be able to grab onto the thread inside the handlebar. So you're gonna want to go online and get this M6 bolt. It's 70 millimeters long, which is more than enough to fit into the handlebar. So I'll put a link in the description where you guys can find this M6 70 millimeter bolt. You could get about like 10 of them for a couple bucks on Amazon, so it's really convenient. And then I'll also post where you could get this Graves mirror adapter. This actually fits on like an R6 and an R1. It will also fit on this bike, so no worries. I wish there was a much better solution. I know some people get like nylon washers and they put it on the edge of the actual bar end so they can mount the mirror just to extend this piece a little more. But yeah, if not, you guys could definitely just buy this spacer, get a longer bolt, and you'll be good to go. And basically the mirror will just sit right in here, and you'll be able to mount it in the handlebar as well as put the bar end over it, and you'll be good to go. So this mirror will actually fit on either side of the bike. You just have to adjust this little piece right here to whichever side you like to put it on. I did try having it hanging downward, but I found that I didn't really get much visibility from it, so I decided to just flip it and hang it above the handlebar instead, which I found worked a little better. So really it's just trial and error, guys. Try it out both ways, see what way you like it the best, and then once you have them both installed, you're gonna want to adjust them to whatever angle you'd like. You can have them more up with this thing sideways, or you could have it, you know how I had it before, you know, the longer way. It's really up to you and how you guys like the look as well as the functionality of it. So you're gonna have to adjust it a couple times just to dial it into what you like. So installing these is pretty simple. You want to make sure that you have the thicker side going through the mirror and that you have the base plate side toward the handlebar itself, and then just slide over the bar end, get your 70 millimeter M6 bolt, stick it through, and just start tightening up. Then afterwards, once you have the bar end tightened, you can start adjusting the mirror itself to any angle and position that you feel is more comfortable for you. So we'll let that drop right there so I can finish tightening it. Just tighten it up. So these mirrors, the right side doesn't really have any vibration. The left side does, and I'm assuming that's because of the bike itself, how it's a cross-plane 3 motor. So it's not the smoothest motor, which, you know, it is gonna transmit a lot of vibration to the actual handlebar. But besides that, the actual adjustment itself of the mirror doesn't move at all. They're very firm, I wish there was a better solution on how to mount these. I don't know if it's the way that these are mounted with the spacer that causes some vibration, but once you let off the throttle, the left side really gets a little more clear. But they do have bigger mirrors as well, so you can see better. This blade option from them, I got it because it's the smallest and the sleekest, and I didn't want to exaggerate with any big mirrors, so I decided to get these. And a lot of people also have the CRG Aero mirrors, which those mirrors seem really good as well, but I just wanted to get something different from the rest of the people online. I really like these. I will be doing a review on them later. Right now, this is basically how you guys mount the mirror. Now that we have the bar end fully tightened, actually let me tighten it just a bit more. Now we're gonna want to go ahead to the back side and tighten the rear hex bolt that they have. Moto Gadget mo.view mirror. This is the blade mirror. They have several different styles. Check them out, guys. They are based in Germany, and these mirrors are made very, very well. So if you're interested in these, I highly recommend them. I will put a link in the description to them. But there you have it. Then afterwards, just sit on the bike and just try to adjust it to your liking. Guys, do me a favor, please drop a like on the video, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel. It's gonna help me out with that YouTube algorithm. I appreciate it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.